The remaining two areas to create our images will be combined in this lecture because the background is pretty straightforward. It just defines the remaining part of our image besides the core content that should be displayed in this image. So far, our background was just the ocean. We could also make this a bit more detailed here. For example, we could say that we want to have the stormy ocean with high waves in the background. If we add this to our image, and I'll again take one of these prompts maybe, so the one with the selfie, I like this quite a lot actually. So I'll add this prompt now, and here we'll add the stormy ocean with high waves in the background. So here, if we again have a look at the detailed image, we see a very stormy ocean. For example, here the half of the boat is already covered in water. But as you see, you can refine the background by being as descriptive as possible. Just don't add too many details to the image, because then Midjourney at some point will mix up the background with the remaining parts of the image, and then the result will not be very satisfying. But as long as you keep it concise and precise regarding your wording, there isn't too much that can go wrong. In case something doesn't work, you can always rephrase your prompt, obviously. In addition to the background, we also have the atmosphere as the last part in our details section. The atmosphere is a big word and contains many different things to describe in here. These things include the time of the day. Is it sunrise, twilight, day or night in general? You want to have a different lighting, like natural or cinematic lighting. You want to have a studio lighting, neon lighting, or you can also define the colors. So golden colors, black and white, and in addition to the time of the day, also the time of the year. So is it spring? Should it be snowfall? Should it be raining? Should the overall image have a very energetic atmosphere? That's of course a bit vague. Here you let Midjourney decide what energetic actually means. So once again, these are just some words to give you at hand to have an understanding of what you can define in here. And once again, I'll give you some examples here by adding these descriptions to our prompts. So if I now once again take our prompt that we used so far in these lectures, and now I switch cinematic lighting with black and white to start very simple and straightforward. Then I'll add another prompt where we add neon lighting instead. This should look quite interesting. And now we keep the cinematic lighting, but add snowfall afterwards. So you can, of course, also add multiple of these words of a specific category if you want to. Now we again have three very different results. Let's get started with the black and white version. There, no big surprise, we only have black and white colors left, so pretty straightforward actually. Here, the second version we created looks quite fancy actually. This simply added neon colors to our image, which also gives this a very interesting look, let's say it like this. And finally, here we kept the cinematic lighting and added the snowfall additionally. So we added more keywords to describe the atmosphere. And we still have the realistic look that we had from the initial images we created. But now if we inspect the images full screen here, we can see the snow falling from the sky. Here, for example, we see the snow also on the jacket of the pirate, especially here, for example. So once again, these are ways to control the images that should be generated. And therefore, once again, trying to follow along this template to get started, in my opinion, is a big helper to create awesome looking images according to your needs in Midjourney.